The verdict in the defamation case by former Union Minister MJ Akbar against journalist Priya Ramani will be announced on 17th February. The verdict was to be announced on February 10th. However, the Delhi court has pushed the date of verdict, citing delays in submitting written submissions. In her 2017 article in Vogue titled "To the Harvey Weinstein of the World," Ramani had talked about sexual harassment in the workplace. In the story, Ramani had described an instance of where she was sexually harassed by a former boss during her job interview for his publication. She also described how her former boss had behaved inappropriately and had made her feel uncomfortable during the interview. A year later, when the metoo movement started in India, she revealed via tweet that this boss was in fact MJ Akbar. After the tweet, Akbar filed a criminal defamation suit against the journalist, saying that her allegations were false and that it had damaged his reputation. After Ramani, many women came forward and accused Akbar of sexual harassment, assault and rape as well. Akbar, who was Minister of State for External Foreign Affairs, had resigned from his post following the allegations. Advocate Geeta Luthra, representing MJ Akbar, pointed out some inaccuracies in Ramani's tweet. Ramani had referred to Akbar as media's biggest sexual predator. Luthra also said that Ramani had other ways to lodge a complaint against Akbar. She could have filed a complaint at the time of the incident and now as well, rather than taking this to social media. Journalist Priya Ramani, on the other hand, had said the truth is her defense. Priya's advocate argued that even if Akbar's reputation had suffered due to Ramani's tweet, her statements fell within the exceptions under Section 499 of the Indian Penal Code, one of which is that it is not defamation to impute anything which is true concerning any person if it is made or published for public good. The advocate also pointed out that Akbar in his statement had admitted that he was in a consensual relationship with journalist Pallavi Gogoi, who had also accused Akbar of sexual harassment and even rape. The outcome of this case could shape people's opinion around the Me Too movement in India. It is to be seen whether this case will encourage the sexual harassment survivors to come out and speak, or if this will be just another way to stifle their voices.